Hello YouTubers, it's me again. What do I got for you today? I was doing work, but that was a while ago. What am I doing? I went to pick up something over in America, because America has some really cool stuff, and it was on sale. So guess what? I bought myself this. This is a, hold on, let me put it down here. This is a CRAFTSMAN 5 drawer toolbox. Apparently it opens up like this, it opens up like that, it opens up like that, opens up like that, it opens up like that, and it opens up like that. Comes with a manual, see the manual, there you go, and it locks up and down. What I'm probably going to do is take this pin out of here because I don't want the lock. I don't want the locking mechanism. Why? Because it's going under there. Why did I buy it? It was proudly made in USA with global materials, because, you know, none of the materials are made in the USA anymore, so you gotta get some cheap old Hondas. I wonder if I measure how thick this one is versus the other one. I don't know. The other one's a 6 drawer, the other one's a whatever drawer. That one's a 1, 2, 3, 4. I had some old CRAFTSMAN ones. I wonder if these, my other CRAFTSMAN from the 90s that I have, the logo kind of just drifted down. The other ones I got from the 90s, which I think are not so similar. Actually, I think that one and that one are the same. And well, anyway, those ones, the logo stayed there. Surprised my Blue Point snap-on one didn't, what do you call it, fall off either. So I bought this because I wanted drawers underneath my welding bench. And well, you know what? I suck at making drawers. I have drawer liners, I can never line them. I know they make fancy things at Lee Valley Tools where you can line up the drawers and shit. So, but this was, I'll post it up. I'll post you a picture of it. Was at Lowe's. I think it's a regular $114. I got it on sale for $99 plus. I got my 10% veterans discount, so it was like, I don't know. And when I went to the border to commercially import it, they charged me a whopping, well, I had something else too, $8 in tax. So all total, what oh, and here, first, if you can find them here, well, good luck. I seen one the same size at Home Depot here for almost $300 Canadian. That was like starting price. So this isn't bad. Am I gonna cut this thing out? I'm gonna try. I might just cut the pin out, just pull it right out, leave it in here. This way I can use it later. I don't know, I guess they got drainage holes in here. I don't know. I mean, it's not a 75 pounds per drawer. It's not snap-on, you know, what do you call it, 4-gauge steel, or it's not made of a 1/4 inch thick stainless or whatever it is. But hey, it is what it is. It's a $99 freaking CRAFTSMAN 26-inch wide 5-drawer tool chest and 4-drawer rolling tool cabinet. I didn't buy the rolling tool cabinet because I don't need one. Well, who am I kidding? I could use this. I could use 15 more of these if you want. But anyway, I don't need the rolling tool cabinet. I only wanted this. So anyway, comes with handles on the side. It goes like this, so you can't pull the drawers. I'm going to remove that part, and then there's a lock on the top. What am I going to do on here? I'm probably just going to flip the lid down, put it there, and maybe I might cut the lid off. I don't know. Should I? I don't know. I'm thinking maybe I'll just put it, because I want to put it right here, and maybe put some stuff in it. I'm going to move all my hammers to over here. Is this the greatest quality? I don't know. I mean, they probably skimped on something. I'm sure the hinge is going to fall off. Something's going to break. I'm sure the drawer freaking things are going to break or some shit. But you know what? It's made in America. This needs some drawer liners. I might buy a drawer. I might have some drawer liners here somewhere left over. I usually use them as car mats after I was done with them. So anyway, but why buy a beautiful drawer when you're just gonna, what do you call it, throw tools in it and not get all scratched up and have no reason to buy a new one, right? So anyway, Lowe's, not bad. Comes with a fancy sticker, which, do I really want to peel this off? Like, maybe there's a way to peel, maybe it will come off easy, but I'm not gonna peel it. Little USA sticker, CRAFTSMAN. Let me show you the back. Oh, there's a little locking mechanism here, so you can lock it. Comes with a key proudly taped to the top. Oh, I just got sticky stuff left on there now. Ooey gooey sticky stuff. Let me take the key out of the little hole it's in. Let me take the key out. Let me take the key out. Here we go. See? Ooh, 2 keys. In case I forget one. This is what I do with the keys. I just go like this. Ooh la la. There we go. So anyway, the back is, here's a side view. If I don't drop it on the floor. Side view. Here's the top where I left a little sticky thing there. Could have peeled it off nicer. Now I gotta get some Google on. Here's the back. A couple of spot weld marks in the bottom. Looks like it's got some holes in it. So you can, I'm not gonna flip it over. Here's the other side. So my plan is, like I said, take this and put it below the bench so I can put tools in there, of course. I got to move the power hacksaw probably back, slide this in there, and it might go, it might fit, who knows. Then I might have to cut off the whole thing and put it the other side. Some things might need a new home, like the hammers. Thankfully, I put the, this might be, I don't know, wait, let's check. This is, how high? It's about 18 inches high. So the hammer is down here. The hammer section where it's hammer time. All right. Oh, cool. My little bar that I got welded to the top here that holds my other bender is exactly 18 inches. So this might just butt up to here and I might not even ever have to use the top. I'll hide my secret stash of gum in here for the kids. Secret gum stash. So anyway, let me show you what I'm going to take out of here. Stay tuned. Hello folks, if you look at this little bar here, it's the little locking bar. It locks all the drawers. I'm going to see if I can whack it out of here with a thing. It might not come out. Let me try it out. So anyway, that's what I want to remove so that these drawers slide open without having that stupid thing lock. So it's the only thing I'm destroying here for now. So I'll show you when I'm done. Well folks, that was uneventful what I just did. What I did is I took fancy stirrup punch, a vintage CRAFTSMAN professional hammer that got lots of reviews, and I knocked that little pin out over here, which you probably just seen the previous clip. Pulled all the drawers out, the bar dropped, and then I don't have to destroy it. Put the pin back in place, the bar's down there, and now it goes like so, and it opens no matter what. So no need to destroy anything. I just pulled it out, left it there. When I drop dead one day, somebody else can pretty much do whatever they want with this. Put it back together. It'll be a non-vintage, probably rusted out piece of crap, unless it was made of titanium or some shit. So anyway, what I'll do is I'm gonna play with this thing, cleaning all my stuff out here and work on this. And I'll add it into this video, so keep watching. So stay tuned, folks.